Welcome to NR Computer Learning Center. Today, we're learning about demystifying Microsoft Office. This class is in cooperation with Skills Enrichment Learning Foundation. Our goal is to move needy to needed and turn learners to leaders. A little bit about NR Computer Learning Center. It was established in 2002. It's an authorized training center for Microsoft, CompTIA, CIW, CVE, and EC Council. It's also an authorized testing center for Certiport, Prometric, and Pearson. Skills Enrichment Learning Foundation is a recognized public charity by the IRS and California. It provides free classes or online tutoring for group home residents, students with disabilities, and students from low-income families. We encourage our certified students, if they're interested in becoming Microsoft Certified Trainers or Trainers, they should go and help others. We'll give opportunities for the qualified trainers to teach online classes. So a little bit about myself. I'm an MCT, a Microsoft Certified Trainer, and CompTIA Certified in Technical Trainer in Virtual and Classroom, and also in A+. I'm also a Microsoft Office Master in all 3 versions, and a Microsoft Certified Technology Specialist. I'm also a Microsoft Expert in Word and Excel in all 3 versions. So here we have the certification program. On your bottom right, you can see that we have IC3. And these 3 components, Computing Fundamentals, Key Applications, and Living Online, are all part of IC3. On your left, we have the desktop applications, and this is what we'll be focusing on today: Word, Excel, Access, Outlook, and PowerPoint. Once you've passed these, you can move on to A+, which is mostly focusing on hardware. Then, after passing A+, you can go into Server Plus, Network Plus, all of which these are part of CompTIA. And after you pass these, you can go into higher level IT certification and IT levels. On your top right, you can see that we have the different exam groups for being a Microsoft Certified Professional. So the steps to certification. First, select the exam that you would like to take. There's PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Outlook, and Access. There's also different versions. There's 03, 07, and 010. Depending on whether or not you go to a business that are still using 03, you can take 03, but we recommend that you take 07 since it's the newer version. Then you should prepare for the exam. If you're more of an independent person, you can use self-studying by looking up books and CDs. If you need that extra push, then you should go for online classes or classes at a training center. Whether you be independent or in a class, always try to use practice tests because they will help you get a feel of what the exam may be like. And the best thing to use when preparing for the exam would be hands-on activities, looking through the applications, and experimenting with them. Once you've fully prepared yourself, you can go ahead and get the exam. Buy the voucher and schedule a time to take the exam. There are two different types of vouchers when you are when you're purchasing them. Depending on whether you are very expert level and you are confident that you will pass, you should go for the one time since it's around $87. But if you're a beginner, you're kind of unsure of the test format, you should go for the second shot. So in case you fail the first time, you have a second shot to go for. This second shot is around $100, and so it saves you money. Also, the second shot is available only in the US, so make sure you understand that. Once you've passed this exam, you can use it to get towards your promotion or bring it to your next job interview and get recognition. And most importantly, you can also use it for college credit at certain colleges. So it's very, very important that you get certified. So set your goal. Why should you get this certification? For your work, don't just do the work but do it better. If you're working for a promotion, it shows your knowledge and motivation skills. So which one should you pick? Word is the most used and easy. It's very user-friendly and in my opinion is pretty easy to understand. It could be your first one to take. Excel is the most useful and challenging. It is very, very helpful when you're in the business world. And if you can only take one, you should take this one. Access turns a user into a programmer and it can show your ability, but it can be kind of challenging. PowerPoint is the easiest to learn and pass. It's very easy to understand PowerPoint and it's an easy exam in my opinion can be an easy exam as well if you study well. It's great as a first exam. Outlook, there's no practice test unfortunately, but it's a great business tool, so play around with the software to understand it. And the new features, keep up with the changes. What you knew is definitely not new. And all of this adds up to Weapon, which is your tool in the business world. So preparing for the exam. Why don't you set your goal? What do you need? Why do you need it? Find a way to achieve that goal. The easiest way? PowerPoint or Word. In my opinion, it's PowerPoint or Word. And the fastest way to get that? Study, practice tests. The cheapest way? O3 is generally on sale because it is going to be outdated soon. The second shot will save you money when you are unsure or not that confident, and there's also free beta test. The free beta tests are only allowed when you have a Microsoft certification already, and certain ones may cost money. So make sure you check out the free betas. And the best way is to use and explore the software. You will fully understand the software, and that is the best way to achieve your goal of getting that promotion or getting that job, by fully understanding the software. Make sure you believe in yourself and take action. Believe in yourself. My first exam was Excel, and when I started, I never used Excel before, July of 2009. I thought that Excel would be the only exam that I really wanted to take. And when I took the exam, I got a 439 out of 1,000. It was my first Microsoft Office Specialist exam, and I was not ready for it. So I took it the second time, and I got a 585 out of 1,000. Instead of giving up, I thought a 150-point gain is encouraging. I passed Excel on my third try, and now I am a certified Excel expert in all 3 versions. When I started, I had no idea what the exam was about. Now you have our help. Get certified or get left behind. Certification equals college credit, and college credit equals recognition. This is what you will get once you've passed all these exams. This is the college credit that you will receive once you've passed these exams. So what will the classes do for you? Knowledge equals power. Certificates equal recognition, and certificates equal college credit. So what's next? Check nrclc.com for future classes. Register and please attend class on time. Learn and excel. Contact us if you have any additional questions over here at fuzzy@nrclc.com and info@twoself.org.